Okay, here we are at A1 Commissaries, finishing the crunch time on the last bit of work on a food truck. Here these guys wrapping it. You can see it takes a bunch of people. And these guys do a flawless job. That's why we use them. And you can see it's not easy to do this. I tried it one time and I got fed up. Ripped it all off. I couldn't do it. Cotter pin? This truck is going to be feeding our troops at an Air Force base out in California, getting ready to leave tomorrow. We just finished putting the last few touches on it. Guys are inside, checking out. We have the whole crew. The best of the best are in here right now working on this. As you can see, it's loaded with equipment, all brand new. Look at that nice hood. Look at that fire extinguisher. Nice, complete, all riveted together. This truck has some pretty cool features as well. It's got 2 complete serving windows. It's got a sandwich, a cold sandwich dispenser. 2 generators. Here's an inside shot. We feed no soldiers. And over on the front over here, we got the Stepvan crew working underneath. This vehicle needed a couple of tie rod ends, so at the cost of $124 a piece, we're installing them. We're also changing the fluids, and we're doing every one. The air cleaner for this vehicle is $100. You change air cleaner, fuel filter, oil filter, serpentine belt. Check everything out. When you get it, you're race ready. There's my boy Jesse James underneath, finishing the tie rod end. Well, here's a little look at a food truck in its last final stages, getting ready to be delivered to the customer, which is a corporate customer. Anyhow, wait until the next one. Stepvan man, over and out.